Okay, water has hydrogen bonds. Because of that, it has high surface tension because there is molecules are connecting together like using hydrogen bond. So we did the lab last class and you have seen a dome-like shape there, a spherical shape because of the surface tension. And if you have using alcohol or acetone, something like that, it will drip through the sides, it won't make any shape. Okay, next one is specific heat capacity. So if you heat water or oil, which one will change the temperature faster? Oil, because oil has low specific heat capacity. Water has very high specific heat capacity, and that means it needs higher energy to change temperature, because the energy we are giving is used for breaking the intermolecular force called hydrogen bonding. So that's why okay, let me move this. Okay, that's why water has high specific heat capacity. One example, real life example, you can say if you go to a beach on a hot sunny day, we know that the sand will be really hot, but water will be what?
Really cold.
Yeah, will be kind of warm, not be that hot. So reason the specific heat capacity of water is 4.186 joule per gram degree Celsius. That means to change temperature by 1 degree Celsius, this much energy needed for water. But if it is for sand, it is just 0.86, I think. I don't remember in my top of my head. Oh, you can see it.
Yeah.
Oh, no. That's a big problem.
You can get that right report.
Okay, so 4.86 joule per gram degree Celsius. So it has high specific heat for water and low specific heat for sand. That's why sand is raising temperature really faster. Okay? So there will be questions like fill in the blanks or multiple choice will be from this part. Okay? Let's go to the next page. Okay, as you all know, water has hydrogen bond, okay? Has high freezing point. What is the freezing point of water is? Freezing point is 0 degrees Celsius, okay? We know that it will be hit us by June, okay? Okay, hydrogen bonds also cause high boiling point of water. What is the boiling point of water? 100.13, just say 100 degrees Celsius. The reason why water has high boiling point or why water has high freezing point, the reason is what? Hydrogen bond. Okay, next is polarity. Already we wrote that multiple times. Do I need to write it again? What is polarity caused by? Unequal sharing of electron. One atom is more electronegative. So hydrogen will get a partial positive charge and oxygen will get what? Partial negative charge. Okay, now we have drawn the images multiple times. This one, you are repeating that. I'm not going to draw it again. Okay. And density. Have you done with the density last time? No. Why can't I? Okay, density. Water, you know that ice floats over water. Okay. Or you already know that during winter season, our pipe will break because water freezes and become ice. Ice will expand. So ice need more spaces. The reason when ice freezes, not ice. Water freezes, it will have lot of vacant spaces inside. Because not air, okay, just I would say that's just vacuum. There is no air inside the water. So the vacant spaces causes a increase in volume, that causes a decrease in density. We know the density is equal to mass over volume. So basically what will happen, water will expand during freezing. But if it is oil or all other normal substance, this is I kind of drawn an oil there. They are like a very compact when become solid. So they have like a higher masses and lower volume. So they have less density. That's why if you have seen any solid oil, that will sink in water. Usually oil in liquid state will float in water, but if it solidifies, that will do what? That will sink in water. The reason of their structural arrangement, okay? See, vacant spaces in ice, there is no vacant spaces, it is highly compact. You can draw your own image, just put a vacant space, okay? Okay. That is why ice floats in water. Yes. This one, mass is less than volume. Volume is greater. Here the opposite. That's why density difference. Question. So only thing you need to know why ice floats in water. What is the reason for that? Basic reason is hydrogen bonding. Due to hydrogen bonding, they will connect together to form a hexagonal layers like that and with vacant spaces inside. So it need more space to stay for ice than water molecule. Okay. So we are done with that basic topic. Okay.